Yeah, hey, this is SY Sublime. Hey, so it's been a while since I've done a video. It's been really busy with doing other projects and stuff. So some of the projects we got that I've performed lately, I've drilled out all the holes all the way along, and drilling holes in my boat all the way along to put my Genoa tracks in. I've got to take those off and get them anodized. I got those Genoa tracks from Garhauer Marine in Upland, California, and I've drilled holes all the way down the ports and starboard side, and it's got ready for those to get anodized. Today's project, I've been working on my mast lately. Pretty much getting my mast all painted, or it's not the best job, but I'm going to be sailing my boat through the Caribbean, and I'm going to get it to Florida, and then I'm probably going to demast my boat and have a paint my masts properly. I'm not very good at spray painting, but anyway, I've been working on my mast project, painting it. There's a lot of corrosion, and also I've got to do my I put my spar tight system in here. I've been working on that as well. I've got to put that in there. I have the mold, the interior mold in already, and I'm going to be working on the exterior mold. So then what I'm doing today is I'm going to be placing this T Track on the bottom of my boom all the way along, so I can control from the center. I was going to put a traveler on my top of my boat, but I was going to also put a hard dodger on. I got a new bimini, a new dodger frame made up, and a 1-inch stainless steel tubing. I had that made at Rail Makers in Costa Mesa in California. They did a great job. So this is going to be obviously facing down this way, and I'm going to be putting a my blocks and tackles going to go down from here straight down to here into the deck, so I can control my boom left and right as well. So today's project is I'm actually going to be drilling out, taping all this off, getting it positioned, and I'll be drilling out and tapping all the holes all the way along and getting this installed. Temporarily installed just for until I can get it anodized. So I'm going to put it on, drill the holes, take it off, and then have that set aside for anodizing as well. Okay, so I'll be back in a bit. This is part one. No, it's not. It's just continuous. Screw it. Anyway, so this is just the first part of this. So now I'm going to get this positioned, and I'll be back with you later. So I got it pretty straight, I think. Looking at it properly down the line, it's pretty straight. Cameras as well. So yeah, so I've got it all taped on, and so it's ready to get drilled out and drill all the way down there. I think it's like 36 holes I've got to drill. So I can't do that one-handed, so I'm going to start drilling and get this all figured out. Be back in a bit.